A modern way to add body and fullness to fine hair is with the newer curling wands. Now you want to make sure the curling wand is ceramic plated to protect the hair. To begin with, you make vertical partings, and you want the partings to be no wider than the width of the curling wand that you're using. Now when you are wrapping the hair around the curling wand, you want to hold on to the very tips of the hair. This type of curl is called an open end curl. Now what we're doing is we're alternating the direction of the curls. On the bottom row, half goes to the right, half goes to the left. In the preceding row above it, you roll the hair in the opposite direction. And what that delivers is this amazing, voluminous hairstyle full of body. It's the modern bob.